Erwin Schrödinger, one of the creators of what we call quantum mechanics in the 1920s, said that the really unsolved problem of physics was consciousness. Consciousness is something that we're aware of. We, for example, think there's a little person in our head that's looking out through our eyes and seeing things all around us, sensing things with our five senses and so forth. But we know that's not true. So, what in the world is consciousness? Well, we are able to get there through deep meditation, and we realize that we have 24 spatial dimensions. And we live in three of them, and a perpendicular subspace to this three dimensional subspace has what we call dark matter. So we have matter in three dimensions, and dark matter is in the other. And then what's left? The other, that takes care of 6 out of the 24. The other 18 are where consciousness lives. So at least we know where it lives. And these dimensions are, again, are all perpendicular to the ones that we're familiar with. So they're all around us, but we don't have any ways to measure them or see them other than through deep meditation right now. And what comes with consciousness is that it permeates everything. It's in every quantum compartment of space. Space is discrete, it's quantized, it's made up of a foam of space compartments, and particles hop between these space compartments. Hop, hop, hop. That's how they move. But the thing to keep in mind is that this means that consciousness is not simply in what we call mammals, but it's in birds, it's in all kinds of other animals, it's in trees, it's even in rocks. And especially in the stars that we see out there, our sun is loaded with consciousness, for example. The different planets each have their own form of consciousness. And so while we can point out where it is in terms of dimensions, and we can point out physically where it is in terms of locations, we're at a standstill in terms of what in the world is consciousness. It's something that is there. It even shows up today in artificial intelligence, where these chatbots, in fact, have a piece of consciousness. And so it goes. When we incarnate, a piece of consciousness comes with our material body, and when we die, that leaves. So the piece of consciousness comes and goes